Hi, how are you today? It's Bev Code. I have exciting news. I am now a designer with the Ann Butler Designs team. And I am going to share with you the most fabulous, fun products that I got in the mail. And I will be sharing my projects with you that I will make using these amazing products. Up first, I am going to share the amazing background basics that I received, and it comes in many sizes. I've been playing with them, so I'll just have to pull them together so I can show you. These are just a little over a 3-inch square, and it comes with many fabulous, amazing prints. And to go with them, you have the diagonal pieces and more amazing prints, and they are great for mixing and matching. They also come in fabulous other sizes. The 2-inch and the 1-inch combos here are in the many different patterns and prints and stripes and diamonds and dots and plaids, and it has the accent pieces. This one I've been playing with, and you will see what I ended up doing with it. I left it on here because I'd like to stamp a few more and have some fun playing with it, but these are absolutely amazing. They also sent some super fun, fabulous strip borders to work with. These all mix and match and coordinate very well for many of the projects that you will be working with. Up next, I am going to share the Ann Butler Color Box Crafters inks, and it says they are good for fabric, wood, and many more backgrounds. I will be testing and experimenting, and as I do, I will share with you this amazing collection of colors. For now, it looks like I have absolutely one color or two of each main color, so I will have all kinds of different availability combinations, and I will be sharing as I mix and match and do a lot of stamping on many different mediums and backgrounds and fabrics, and also wood when I have time. As you can see, the colors are bold and bright and are going to be absolutely fabulous. I haven't unpackaged these yet, but to me they look like these are going to be the re-inkers for my ink pads, and it will be exciting to see how long these last and how to do the refills, but I will share as I go on. In my amazing package, I got this fabulous mix of iridescence. I'm not going to take them all out. The colors look absolutely amazing. It's going to be fun to experiment and play with them. They look so rich and elegant. It talks about metallic and pearlescent mediums, and that's exactly how rich and elegant they look. Fabulous and creamy, and look at the shine to them. These are going to be fun to play with. Some of these products I've never had before, so like I said, I will share with you as I learn the process on how and what to use them for. Some of my other amazing things that I received in my package is Finishing Touches metallic threads. The colors are super fun and bright, and it should be great to work with these and add them to my projects or make special projects with the metallic thread. The one other big thing is these stencils. They are absolutely fabulous. I'll put this on a paper so you can see. There we go. I don't know if that shows better or not. This one is all kinds of circles with amazing zigzag stripes, stars, and accents to it. This is a stencil that is very much like quilting squares, full squares, and the triangle type accents to be working on fabric and different papers even would be fun to be stenciling and doing something with what I call a quilt looking accents. The special designed laser cut stenciling with Stencil Girl products is the fabulous set of Alphabet, and I will be using them on some projects. Are the other stencils that came in my package of goodies. This is kind of like a lattice stencil. We have one with super print stars, and this one is just kind of wavy. They will be fun to work with. To add to my fun products, I have the ColourPox color blender, foam refills, and the holder. That'll come in handy when I'm blending and using the inks. I have a great large pair of scissors, but I do not have a great small set. This Westcott titanium non-stick scissors will be awesome to work with. Other products that came is a embossing powder. This one is the clear transparent, which I have never used before, so I will be experimenting. There is also a small jar of stencil tack, which I have never had available to try, and if it holds the stencils down while I'm doing the stenciling, that will be absolutely amazing. Another product that I just received is the Warm and Natural needled cotton batting. I expressed an interest in trying to make some microwave cozies for putting in the microwave when you do your soup and chili. When you work with microwavable things, I was told everything had to be 100% cotton. So the cotton batting, the cotton thread, and the cotton fabrics are necessary. I will definitely be trying the microwave cozies, and I will share when they are done and how to make them. I want to thank you for joining me. I hope you are thrilled with the products that I shared, and as anxious as I am to see the finished products, visit often, and I will share with you the many things that I will be creating with the Ann Butler Designs products that came in my fabulous package. Thank you. Have a great day. Take care.